Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 28th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of Tesla and autonomous vehicles. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. We begin with a tragic incident involving a Tesla Cybertruck in Piedmont, Northern California. Early Wednesday morning, a single vehicle crash resulted in the deaths of 3 individuals and left one person seriously injured. The accident occurred around 3:10 a.m. as the group was returning from a function. Piedmont Police Chief Jeremy Bowers suggested that speed might have played a role in the crash, although the investigation is still ongoing. A witness, who was also at the event, heroically rescued the surviving victim from the burning vehicle. Firefighters were quick to respond, extinguishing the flames rapidly. Fire Chief Dave Brannigan mentioned that the nature of the fire did not point to the Cybertruck's lithium-ion battery as the cause, but rather it appeared to be a typical car fire. The identities of the victims have not been disclosed to respect the privacy of their families. Despite the Cybertruck facing several recalls over the past year, including issues with its electric inverter, there is no current evidence to suggest mechanical failure was a primary factor in this crash. In other Tesla news, the company is looking to hire a team for remotely controlling its upcoming self-driving robotaxis. This move highlights the current limitations in autonomous vehicle technology. Elon Musk has been promising a fully autonomous robotaxi service, known as the Cybercab, which is expected to launch by 2026. However, a recent job listing reveals Tesla's plan to create a teleoperations team to support the robotaxi fleet, indicating that human oversight will still be necessary. The job description emphasizes the importance of low-latency data streaming and the use of advanced virtual reality technology for operators to manage the vehicles remotely. This approach is not unique to Tesla, as other companies in the robotaxi sector, like Cruise and Waymo, also employ remote human operators to assist their vehicles when they encounter challenges. This reliance on human intervention raises questions about the true level of autonomy in these vehicles, as many companies market their products as fully autonomous while still depending on human labor. This trend reflects a broader pattern in the tech industry, where products are often presented as advanced AI solutions, despite significant human involvement in their operation. Tesla's strategy underscores the ongoing challenges in achieving true autonomy in self-driving technology. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Tesla and autonomous vehicles. Stay safe and drive smart.